Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can use text-to-speech on TikTok. So text-to-speech on TikTok basically means, have you watched a video where there's like a robotic girl sound or like a robotic voice sound which like reads the text? Well, that's basically what text-to-speech is. You add a text on a TikTok video and like the robot is gonna read it while the video is playing. It might sound confusing, but when I make this video, you will understand what this is. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's get into the video without any further ado. First step, you want to open a TikTok, click on a plus looking icon to upload a video, alright? And just click a random video. Once you click a random video, what you want to do is click on text and add a text. I'm gonna write. Once you add a text, click on done. Once the text is added, just click on the text, click on text to speech. So I've turned off my sound off my device so you can't hear the sound, and you can just post a video now. Just click on next, click on poster, video will be posted using the text to speech. So that's how easy it is. It's not complicated at all. It looks complicated, but it is not. But that's how it is. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, everybody. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Peace.